If saving money is supposed to make you richer, why does it feel like you're falling further behind every year? You're doing the right thing. You're saving. You're being responsible. And yet, your money buys less than it used to. And that's not your fault, but it is a problem. And today, I'll show you 5 things that are actually better than just saving cash, especially if you're a regular person, not a millionaire. And the last one is the most powerful and often overlooked. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Cash feels safe, but quietly, it's shrinking. Inflation means prices rise every year, even in good years. So when your money sits still, its purchasing power goes backwards. Nothing dramatic happens, no alert pops up. It just slowly dissolves, kind of like the thumbnail. Saving cash is fine short term, but long term, it's not protection, it's erosion. And once you understand that, the question becomes, where should money go instead? Because the next option still feels boring, but it's already miles ahead of cash. If you're carrying high-interest debt, credit cards, personal loans, that interest rate is working against you every single day. Paying that down is a guaranteed return. If your card charges up to 22% interest, paying it off is the same as earning up to 22% risk-free. That's better than almost any investment you'll find. This isn't exciting. It won't make screenshots. But mathematically, it's one of the smartest financial moves most people can make. And if this kind of practical thinking helps you, consider subscribing. This channel is all about simple money decisions that actually move the needle. Now, once bad debt is under control, most people jump straight back to cash. But there's a far better middle ground. This is where people misunderstand the message. I'm not saying never hold cash. You need a buffer, not a hoard. 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. That's it. Enough to handle emergencies. Not so much that inflation eats years of progress. Once that buffer is in place, every extra dollar sitting idle is an opportunity cost. And that's where things start getting interesting. Because now we're talking about assets that actually grow. And the next one is where money finally starts working for you instead of waiting. This isn't about picking stocks, or chasing trends, or getting lucky. For regular people, the most powerful asset is often the most boring one: broad, long-term investing. Think diversified funds. Think decades, not days. Over time, these assets tend to grow faster than inflation, which means your money regains and increases its buying power. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. And the real magic, it's not the returns. It's the fact that time does the heavy lifting for you. It might sound boring to you, but you will thank yourself when you reach your goals. But there's still one asset most people ignore, even though it can outperform everything else. Here's the one nobody talks about enough. The fastest way to improve your finances isn't squeezing every single dollar. It's earning more. Skills that increase your income, whether that's negotiation, certifications, side skills, or career leverage, often deliver returns no investment account can match. A higher income means more room to invest, more resilience, and less stress. Saving cash can't do that, but you can. And once income rises, every other financial move becomes easier. Yes, saving money is responsible, but only saving cash is what keeps people stuck. A buffer for safety, assets for growth, skills for momentum. That's how regular people actually get ahead. If this helped you rethink where your money is sitting, check out the next video. Because the biggest financial mistakes usually feel like the safest ones. And that's exactly what makes them dangerous.